How are you doing there, comrade? And how is everything? Today, I want to handle this issue of where can I buy original Oraimo products and where and how can I fix my Oraimo products when it have issues and all that. For real, we are always here to help you and guide you on your favorite product, Oraimo accessories. Today, I want to guide you, so stay tuned and relax. Because yes, sometimes I have to fix, especially power bank for customers. Either the first that they bought it, the thing had issue and they are looking for a way to fix it and all that. First of all, the first question is, how can you buy original Oraimo products? It's simple. This is how you can buy original Oraimo products. Just very simple, right in the comfort of your home. First of all, type ng.oraimo.com in your browser. Alright, this will take you directly to the official website. That's Oraimo official website. You can see different kinds of products being displayed. So but this doesn't mean that if you want to place an order, it will come direct to your location because you do not have account. So how is this done? If you have an account already with Oraimo, you can actually go to log in. But if you don't have, just go to create account and then you create your account. And after that, during your the process of creating your account, you will be asked to insert your address, your phone number, your email. If you want to get newsletters, you can also put that out. I'll prefer you also go for getting newsletters because it will guide you on new products and some basic informations you need. And then when you get to the account, you select any product you want and then add it to cart. If you want up to 3, 4, 5 of them, you add it to cart and then select from the cart and proceed to where you want the product to be shipped to also. And then you put your state, your street address, your WhatsApp number and the rest of that. Alright, while purchasing, to get a discount, like lesser price for what you buy, don't forget to add this discount code. And if you have Explorer points, it's another advantage for you because in my account I have Explorer points that are about 750 naira. You can get up to 5,000 naira discounts with this discount code, and if you have Explorer points, that's another advantage. People ask questions. How long does it take for Oraimo products to be delivered after I place order? It can take between 1 to 7 working days. If you're not in Lagos, it can take up to 1 to 7 working days. But if you're in Lagos, luckily, less than 24 hours or 24 hours, your product is right there in front of you. That's just it for that. Another one, the third question here is where can I take my product to if it has faults? Like if you bought a power bank or so and it has problem, you take it to CalCare. Just download the app, and once you download the app, it will take you direct to CalCare. You fix a date, you see the numbers of products there, you see Oraimo, you see all of that. You select Oraimo, power bank and whatever product it is, and then you fix a date and go there, fix your power bank or whatever it is, your smartwatch, your bicycle, whatever it is. So you just go there and fix it. Now if you have a problem with how many days will it take for them to return this thing, so it will take up to a week depending on your location. Once again, it will take up to a week for them to fix your product and send it back to you. But definitely just be patient, everything will work out well. So what happens to these Oraimo products that they get spoiled up, they have issues and all that? It might be the logistics issues while it's coming on the road. Like the other time I got power bank for someone and the torchlight knob wasn't working. Now most of the issues is the logistics. While they were coming on the road, there was a little fault, and that's all. Oraimo don't have bad products. Sometimes there are unforeseen circumstances, and even at that, they have solution to the problem, which is CalCare. Alright, this is where we draw the curtain. Thank you. I'll always remain Bright Tech.
No be juju be that.